out how to make coconut charcoal briquettes in a factory from the initial process to packaging, and the charcoal briquettes are ready for export. The main ingredient for making charcoal briquettes is the best quality coconut charcoal. So that the heat produced is maximum, it doesn't break and there is little ash. This coconut charcoal is imported from several cities on the island of Java and Sulawesi, Indonesia. The first process is screening. Screening aims to separate the ash left from burning coconut shells into charcoal. Because to maintain quality, ash should not be included in production. After the coconut charcoal becomes charcoal powder. Then put it in a sack contains 25 kilograms to make measuring easier in the mixing process. The mixing process is the process of mixing 100 kilograms of charcoal flour with tapioca flour and water. In one mixing process it consists of 4 sacks or 100 kilograms of charcoal powder. This mixing process is carried out for approximately 5 minutes to ensure all ingredients are mixed perfectly. After mixing completely, this mixture is then removed through the bottom of the machine. The ready dough is then blended, to ripen the mixture twice. The first blanding makes the mixture half cooked, then it is passed to the second blanding machine to ripen the mixture. After the blanding process is complete, the mixture is left for at least 12 hours. The next process is the holding process, namely molding the charcoal material into small blocks. This size can be changed according to the buyer's request. The process looks fun, guys. After the mixture is cut into rectangles manually, the mixture will run automatically to the cutting machine and then be printed into squares. The edges will later be reprinted so that everything is shaped into a perfect block. After that, store it in a special place and refrigerate it for a day and night so that the water content of the briquette block reduces.
Once cool, then put in the oven. Process in the oven for 48 hours or around 2 days and 2 nights. This burning process takes place continuously using wood fuel.
Make sure the fire burns big, guys. This factory is equipped with a tall chimney so that air pollution in the surrounding environment can be minimized.
After the oven process is complete, it is cooled. After it cools, the coconut briquettes are put into sacks and ready to be packed at the factory. This coconut shell charcoal briquette product is exported to the Middle East, namely Arabia, Iran and Jordan. Some also go to Europe, such as Brazil, Germany, England and Spain. These coconut charcoal briquettes are exported to meet the need for shisha or Middle Eastern cigarettes. The packing process is carried out by mothers, and this coconut briquette factory uses local workers with the aim of providing jobs for residents around the factory.